Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather briefing for Friday, January 22nd. We saw a low near 33 degrees this morning, which is several degrees above average for this time of year, as we had some westerly winds helping to keep those temperatures up a bit. We are currently seeing mostly sunny skies out there. Should be seeing partly cloudy to perhaps mostly sunny skies continue throughout the day today and into tonight as well. And then not really seeing any chances of precipitation until we get to the beginning of next week. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, do have a pretty benign pattern across the mid-Atlantic this morning. We do have this weak cold front which is draped across the Appalachians here. That is going to move across the area as we go into tonight, which is going to usher in just a cold air mass. Could give us a slight uptick in clouds as we go into tonight, but really nothing to note. But we are going to be seeing those lows get back down to more seasonable cold values tomorrow morning, and then seeing a very chilly weekend with highs struggling to get up to even 40 degrees. Taking a look at our satellite across the region, we do have some cirrus across North Carolina and far southern Virginia out there, and you can see some clouds around 4,000 feet or so start to develop across the northern Delmarva. So we are going to be seeing a few to scattered clouds near 4,000 feet develop today, and then this cirrus should slowly start to move away from the region. Currently seeing a few clouds at 25,000 feet. Winds were from the west-southwest at around 6 knots, temperature of 38 degrees. For today, going to be looking at a high of around 53 degrees, which is about 10 degrees above average for this time of year, thanks to that westerly wind we were expecting. We should be seeing those westerly winds ramp up a bit around 10 to 15 knots and gusty. There is a little bit of some model disagreement today on exactly how high those gusts will get. It really will depend on how much of those winds above the surface are able to mix down. But so just around a 50% chance or so of seeing a brief wind advisory this afternoon as those winds shift northwesterly. And then as we go into this evening, winds will die down, becoming around 7 to 12 knots from the northwest, and then briefly to 5 to 10 knots before increasing to 7 to 12 knots again around midnight, and then becoming 9 to 14 knots and slightly gusty by mid-morning Saturday. And we'll see those northwesterly winds increase as we go later into the day Saturday as well. And expecting a low of around 26 degrees tomorrow morning, which is seasonable for this time of year. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to see a few clouds around 5,000 feet develop late this morning, as well as the cirrus to the south continuing. Those clouds at 5,000 feet will become scattered at times, and then seeing some clear skies after sunset, and then just a few to perhaps scattered cloud deck near 3,000 to 4,000 feet as we get that to dry cold front moving across, and then seeing just a few clouds at 3,500 feet by mid-morning tomorrow. Still seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. For tomorrow, going to be mostly sunny and cold out there, breezy with a high of 38, and we're going to see those wind chill values make it feel even colder out there. And then Saturday night, going to be clear early, then partly cloudy late, cold with a low all the way down into the low 20s, likely going to be seeing some lows in the upper teens across colder interior portions of the Delmarva. And Sunday, partly cloudy early, and then we'll start to see clouds increase late, becoming overcast by Sunday night with a high of 39 expected for Sunday. That will do it for your daily operations weather briefing. Have a great day.